Welcome to Tamara's Garden. In today's video, I will be sharing with you some tips, tricks, and what are the things that you will have to avoid while growing this beautiful Sansevieria plant. This is Sansevieria, and I have multiplied them very easily without watering and even with less fertilizers. Will you believe it? So stay tuned until the end to know more about Sansevieria. This is also another air purification plants, easy to grow plants, and one of the beginner gardeners plants. Since you don't have to water this plant on regular basis, even if you forget to water it couple of days, this plant will tolerate that, because these plants can go up to maximum of weeks time without water. If you are a beginner gardener, this is best for you. And if you are a lazy person, even you can grow this plant in a small planter. Find a small planter and put this. Once you bring it from a nursery, see that you keep it in a shady corner, not in the bright direct sunlight area. They do well in the medium to partial sunlight. So keep it indoors as an indoor plant because this purifies the air. Yellow leaves and brown pods are a major problem in the snake plants or Sansevieria. This is a variety of snake plants. So this is a common problem. Look at this. So what are the reasons of yellowing or spots of brown spots in these plants? First, once you bring it from a nursery, keep it in a place where it gets the medium to partial sunlight. This is very important. Don't keep it near a place where it gets the bright direct sunlight. So avoid bright direct sunlight on the plant, but indirect, medium or partial sunlight, even indoors, is a better location. Do not over water this plant. You can water checking the top layer of the soil. So these plants doesn't need much water. Regular watering is not necessary. So one of the reasons for yellowing of the leaves or spots in the leaves is overwatering. So when you pour water, see that you don't pour water on the top of the plant. Always do a root watering, not on top of the leaves. That is also have to be considered because that also affects the health of the plant. When you're preparing the plant soil, it's very important that you add a little bit of sand in the soil mixture. So don't forget that, because these plants are something similar to the succulents. You can use the succulent soil as well. Add some perlite in the soil, garden soil plus little bit of sand, and some perlites will do for this plant. Reason is too much of dryness in the soil, not watering or underwatering. So see that your plant is healthily watered. At times it need to be watered. So this yellowing of leaves or the brown tips is a common problem. Over fertilizing also a reason of these spots. So if you are using natural fertilizers like tea or coffee, see that you give them time to time. Do not overdo. So these are the major reasons of causing yellow leaves or brown spots in these plants. Snake plants are beautiful indoor plants. They grow with a little bit of soil, little bit of water and little bit of sunlight. They make wonderful air purification plants, and also this is one of the beginner gardeners plants. So have these plants in your garden. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. And thanks for stepping into Tamara's garden. I hope you find this video about Sansevieria snake plant common problems is very useful. If you do, please subscribe and stay tuned for more gardening videos. See you soon in Tamara's garden.